First off, spin is not spin. For if it were, then the electron had to spin at million times the speed of light and it would be disintegrated into more pieces, which would suggest that electron is not a point particle. Another thing, moving charges produce magnetic field. So a charge moving in circle will produce a magnetic moment and it starts behaving a kind of like magnet. Now here's what physicists did. They placed two specifically designed magnets like this. They took atoms of silver, which can roughly be assumed to be small bar magnet, as it has only one unpaired electron in its outer shell. They threw these atoms toward a screen passing through these weed-shaped magnets.
Wait. So they didn't actually pick up and threw these silver atoms. They had this big oven from where they generated a beam of silver atoms. This right here is just for illustration, okay? Just illustration. Cool. I'm out now.
It's like throwing in magnetic moments. So the beam goes in between these magnets and the question is, what do you get on the screen? So here's what they expected. Here comes an atom and it has magnetic moments in random directions. Therefore you are going to get a smudge like this. Some are going to be deflected a lot because they have a lot of Z component of magnetic moment. Others are going to be deflected only a little. So this is where interesting thing happen. They got one peak here, an empty space, and then another peak here. This was termed as space quantization. This space was about 1/5 of a millimeter. It was not that big, but it was a clear thing. So everyone was confused. The idea of spin was proposed. It is now understood that these electrons have two states of spin up and down, corresponding to the position of beam on the screen. Every other spin state is made up of these up and down spin state. So spin is intrinsic property of the particle, just like mass or charge. And what we can measure is their magnetic moments.
Thanks for watching, and if you didn't like this video, share it with your friends. Tell them how much you hate them. And if you like this video, just maybe consider subscribing. I don't know. Maybe.